said. Bye.
Sorry.
Said. He is still sick.
Christine cuss.
Said. GTG, hope you have a good day. Smiling face with smiling eyes.
Zigzagfin.
Said. I know.
Miriam Hubes.
Said. Teddy, are you Abdu Plumber?
Zigzagfin.
Said. Face fuchsia white eyes, face green smiling, text green game over.
Puppy monkey baby.
Said. What the Sigma?
Okay, folks. I had to kind of clean up a little bit. I got a little too sick. It's my own fault.
Miriam Hubes.
Said.
Oh.
I mean Abdu Plumber, not Abdu Plumber.
Puppy monkey baby.
Sorry, everybody.
Said. Hey.
Whew.
Dink bomb.
Said. Welcome back, Teddy.
Jamarian Beasley.
Said.
Thank you.
Bye, Teddy, I have to go.
Okay, bye.
Frank Fish Mopes.
Sorry.
Said. Do you feel better?
Yeah, I overate. My stomach wasn't as big as my eyes.
Welcome back, Ted.
Oh, I won't do that.
Miriam Hubes.
Said. I mean not.
Jacket _ Spudge.
Said. Did you go for a dump?
KW.
I had it coming out both ends.
Said. Hey.
Hey.
Miriam Hubes.
Said. Are you okay?
Are you okay,
Jamarian
honey?
Beasley.
Said.
It wants me to apply.
See you later.
Gage Gardner.
Said. He.
YouTube wants to hear from me. Please.
Gage Gardner.
Oh.
Said. Hi.
Hi.
KWB Wrestling.
Said. You sick?
No, I overate. I had gastric sleeve, and I overate a cheeseburger.
Can I please get moderator? I'm very good at moderation.
No, we're not taking any new mods this week. I'm so sorry. But we're not taking any new mods this week. Maybe next week. But right now, we're just trying to see who we have.
KWB Wrestling.
I haven't gone in and taken anybody off yet. So
Oh, what's you eat?
you got to give me some time. Give me about a week. Give me about a week to get caught up on everything. Oh. I had a cheeseburger.
Said. Chicken.
I had a cheeseburger. No ketchup. Cheeseburger. No ketchup.
Happy Food Sebastian.
Said. Hello and greetings from Germany.
Zigzagfin.
Said. Yummy.
Miriam Hubes.
Said. I love your channel.
Gage Gardner.
Said. Hello, Teddy.
Nita Otto.
Said. She's.
Hey, Otto.
Fortnite Kid.
Said. 677777777.
Happy Food Sebastian.
Said. Woof woof.
KWB Wrestling.
Said. I watched your channel. Keep working on that workout.
Thank you.
Jacket _ Spudge.
Said. Does he like biting people?
No, Kobe is a retired service animal.
Dog.
Happy Food Sebastian.
Said. Meow meow meow.
Miriam Hubes.
Said. I sub.
Fortnite Kid.
Said. Are you fat?
Khalil Watkins.
Said. Are you on 600-pound life?
Fortnite Kid.
Said. Sorry.
Zesty Westy.
Said. You are the fucking best guy.
KWB Wrestling.
Said. You look better than years ago.
Dink Bomb.
Said. Doggo _ Mary.
This is Kobe. This is Kobe.
Said. Dude.
Hi, Mary.
Jacket _ Spudge.
Said. Fuck slightly smiling face.
Miriam Hubes.
Said.